Astral projection, also known as out-of-body experience, is the act of allowing your awareness to exit your body through relaxation of the conscious mind. There are various ways to do this, and I'm going to go into detail on how you can do it in this video. The requirements for astral projection are somewhere to lay down, a focused mind, and eyelids. So unless you're Jeff the Killer in space, you will be able to astral project. Alright, I'm going to go into detail on one of the easiest methods, and one of the methods that worked for me early on, called the wake back to bed method. Now this is going to be combined with a couple of other techniques. It's sort of like taking from a bunch of locations and adding them together and making like a Frankenstein's monster of ways to astral project. Set an alarm to wake you up 6 to 7 hours after you've gone to bed. Then go to sleep normally. Step 2, get up. So after the alarm goes off and you wake up, you're tired, you're groggy, you want to get up and walk around, maybe use the bathroom, maybe get some water. You just want to wake up your mind a little bit. Make your mind think you're getting up for the day. After about 10 minutes of walking around, you got water, you went to the bathroom, then you want to go lay back down. Alright, step 3, corpse pose. All you have to do for the corpse pose is just lay on your back with your arms to your sides. While laying on your back, you want to focus on your feet and you want to relax your feet as much as you can. And then once your feet are relaxed, you focus on your ankle, you relax that, then you focus on your calf and you make your way up until you reach the top of your head. Once you reach the top of your head, you want to make your way back down. After a while of relaxation, you will start experiencing what is known as the hypnagogic state. It is at this point that reality and dreams start to merge and you start to hallucinate. It's very important at this point to remain calm and relaxed. Now from here you can go one of two ways. You can either A, go to sleep and have a lucid dream, or B, try to stay awake and try to astral project. If you want option A, all you have to do is stay conscious, relax, and drift off to dreamland. But if you want to astral project, here's what you do. As you're laying on your back, hallucinating, probably hearing something like this, seeing some weird thing in the corner, this is what you do. You want to imagine a rope hanging above you, and you want to reach out with your arms, your astral arms, and try to feel the rope in your hands. And you want to pull your astral body up this rope, and you want to try to feel the rope more and more, and eventually it'll feel like you're actually holding onto a rope. And if you keep doing that, you'll enter what is called the vibrational state. From there, you can fully astral project. Do keep in mind that this process is very, very weird to the average person. And by weird, I mean it's kind of like this. So yeah, have fun!